Construction is a tough business. It's an exciting business, right? It's a dynamic business. It needs a balance of people who are planners and people who are improvisers. And those two qualities seldom exist inside the same person.
Since I've worked for Morinwood over the past 4.5 years, I've been involved in some of the biggest construction projects and some of the coolest construction projects in Vancouver.
We want the best in class, right? And we want the guys that have a proven track record. We want the guys that respect safety and quality. And we want the groups that understand that, you have a plan, but the plan's going to change and they're going to be able to evolve and roll with the evolution of a project, because a construction project, it'll be an ever-winding road.
We have an apprenticeship system which will end up in either a Red Seal certification. I mean, I really enjoy the leadership of the guys that we've got and ladies. So just to see them grow, that's a big part of it.
Challenge is what gets us up in the morning. It's what makes our work interesting and satisfying.